Hello, and welcome to the Real Estate Show. I'm your host, Nagaraj Annaiya, your guide to the everything Bay Area real estate. Today, we have got April L joining us to break down the latest mortgage rate trends. Essential stuff if you're thinking of a buying or refinancing. But there's one glitch. April, as a video turned off due to some glitches. Hi, April, how are you?
Hi, Nagaraj. How are you?
Sorry, I'm doing really good. Sorry to disturb on your vacation also. Uh,
Oh,
But first, April, the Bay Area is bustling with the Tesla news. They have laid off 2,700 employees in Fremont, raising a concerns about the impact on our housing market. On a brighter note, Elon Musk has unveiled a master plan, part 3, promising more affordable Tesla models and faster production. And of course, those price adjustments have got everyone talking. We'll dive deeper into the how the Bay Area real estate affect a mortgage update, April.
good morning. So rates actually have been creeping up a little bit this week, unfortunately. I think the concerns again with inflation, we've had some mortgage auctions that haven't gone real favorably, and so we've been pressing up a little bit. Still sitting in an okay market compared to last year, but we're just a little bit lower in the past couple. I'm sorry, a little bit higher rate in the last couple days.
Yeah, listeners, you are like if you're not watched my one of the video the Tesla news, like if you are one of the persons who's impacted by the Tesla layoffs, right? Do watch out. What are the alternatives for the visa purposes? Do reach out. Recently, one of my Tesla client who had bought a house from 2022, he had a same experience, and that video was especially useful for him because it's for him they've given a time until May 31st or something, and if he can't find a job he's planning to apply for a B2 visa. Do apply for that. I'll put it on the link also, put the link in the below description also. Watch out for that. April, how are the rates today? Is it changed
So
anything from last week?
just a little bit. We had a little bit of a raise on the 5.5 arm, went up
Mhm.
to 6.375% today, but still sitting in a really good place. We have a 7-year arm fixed for
Mhm.
7 years, that's 6.5, and a 10-year arm is 6.625. And some of the fixed rates still
Mhm.
not too bad. 7% for a 30-year fixed, 6.75% for a 20-year fixed,
Mhm.
and 6.5. We don't see the 15-year fixed that often, but at 6.5 today. So those are all pretty good rates
Mhm.
compared, especially from last year.
Okay, just a 5-year arm got changed from 6.25 to a 6.375, right? Maybe
It
because of the
did.
all this news happening around the Tesla news and inflation part, whatever you told me. I think all that's are causing this.
Yeah, the market really had shifted in the last couple weeks, and we hadn't seen that rate go up yet. So
Mhm.
it doesn't change that often. So it just was
That,
enough.
I think that's a great, always working with the credit unions, what I heard about it, right? I think before even touching on the refinance rates, right? Like let me give out the rates from the other lender also, which I have right now. I have a two rates from the conforming and the jumbo loan rates. Conforming from the Wells Fargo right now, today I have is a 6.75%, but the discount points are a 1%. 1% discount points is like you need to pay that much of 1% to get that 6.75%. 1% of the loan amount. Okay. The 10 years are like 6.875 for the conforming for 30-year fix is a 6.875. 10-year and 30-year fix are not much change for the conforming. And the jumbo loans for 7-year arms and 30-year loan is like 6.375. To get a 6.375, discount points are 1%. That is, you need to pay 1% of the loan amount to get that 6.375. Then your rates are really good, April, right?
Yeah, these are the 0 point rates, so they get the rates
Yeah.
without
I think
paying
that's what
any
we need to stress about. Your rates are all about 0 points. Okay.
more.
And jumbo.
Also keep in mind some of the Wells Fargo rates, what they're quoting on the website
Mhm.
aren't the high balance conforming, which are
Mhm.
going to have a slightly higher interest rate. So those rates that probably the conforming rates are typically up to about the 750. Above that, they would probably have a different tier.
And they're not so much flexible on the credit scores too. So depending on the scenarios, we can work on it. So jumbo 10-year is like 6.5, jumbo 30-year fixed is 6.875. Discount points are 0.75 and 0.625. But when you're doing a relationship discounts, right? Like there are a lot of, like if you move 250K of funds, you can get up to a 0.125% of discount. And if you move, I think that right now they've introduced up to a 10 million. You can get up to get a 1% discount, you need to move at 10 million. So I think the rates, like the discount points have changed recently. Previously, they used to get up to 1 million. They were used to get a 0.625. I think now they've changed it to higher amounts to get a great discount points. So how are the refinance rates, April?
Ours are actually the same, even with cash out. So that is another real benefit is usually with other lenders, you have a cash out hit for any cash
Okay.
out, and the refinance rates are typically higher. Ours are all the same.
Okay. Listeners, if you are one of the buyer and you like putting any offers, do reach out to April. And if you are looking for a realtor who wants to like who needs an like basically if we need a help to buy or a sell, do reach out to me. And like Tesla layoffs right now, I don't see much changes. Today we are also putting couple of offers, but I don't see any reduce in the price as wise. I'll keep you posted on the next update. Like basically, when I meet you on a Friday or Sunday, I'll keep you posted how the offers went in. But as of now, it is going more than a 200K more than the list price, and some of them are more close to a list price because it's already listed high. It doesn't mean like it's going always high. It depends on the list price, whatever it is. Thank you so much, April, for joining in and giving the rates update. If somebody wants to reach out, what's your best way to they can reach out to you?
Best number is 949-306-8100.
Yeah, listeners, April is on the vacation. If there might be delayed response, but leave a text. She would really respond to you back as soon as she sees a message. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day, April.
Thank you. You too.